Hi, has a new colleague joined your team and needs an account to eWay-CRM? I'm Eve, your virtual consultant, and today I'll show you how to do it. So let's get started. First, we need to get into the Admin Center, so click on the eWay-CRM icon in your email body and select Admin Center. If you use eWay-CRM Desktop, click Administration Center on the eWay-CRM ribbon in Outlook. Once you're in there, go to the left menu and click on Users. Here, you'll find the option to add a user. Fill in first name, last name, username, and email. If you're using Microsoft Azure Authentication, make sure to fill in the Microsoft email into username and email. This field allows you to add a license for the products your new member needs. Patty is our new sales manager, so I will give her access to contacts and companies in sales. She doesn't need to work with projects or marketing. If you are missing a license, click this button to extend your subscription. The API-only license is used when integrating eWay-CRM with third-party tools. Don't use it for team members. We recommend letting eWay-CRM generate the first password. If you keep this checkbox on, users will be forced to change it after they log in. I definitely want to send Patty the installation instructions, and I believe she will like the tutorial tips to get familiar with her new CRM. Let's move to the next page to set permissions. If you are using eWay-CRM free, you'll skip this step as permissions are available in higher plans. In your case, all users are automatically admins. This page contains a set of roles you can choose from. Administrator, Manager, and User are system roles that provide the most common permission sets. Ignore the Group Project Manager. It's used for building project teams. If you need to create your own groups, please watch a video related to module permissions. We recommend adding users to only one group to keep it simple. If you assign multiple roles, permissions will be combined and the result can be different from what you want. Since Patty is our new sales manager, I'll add her to the group manager. In the last step, you can set up some additional parameters. I'll leave them as they are. Once you complete the wizard, the new user will receive an email with instructions on how to install eWay-CRM. It's that simple. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other users. And most importantly, be effective with eWay-CRM.